The power of SERP. Features for growing your hair salon. Discover how SERP features can elevate your hair salon's online presence and attract more clients. Simple strategies like optimizing your Google business profile or creating engaging videos can make a significant impact. Optimize your Google business profile for the local pack. This feature displays your salon's essential details like name, address, and reviews, helping potential clients find you quickly. Ensure your information is accurate and add high-quality photos to stand out. Encourage positive reviews to build trust and improve your local pack ranking. Target frequently asked questions with featured snippets. By answering common queries clearly, you can appear at the top of search results, showcasing your expertise and attracting more traffic. This prime spot builds trust and helps you outrank competitors. Leverage video packs with styling tutorials to engage viewers and demonstrate your skills, including your branding can inspire bookings. Implement FAQ schema to appear in People Also Ask boxes, boosting visibility and trust with clear answers. Cultivate positive reviews to enhance your local pack authority. Encourage detailed feedback to attract new clients. By using these strategies, you can grow your salon's online presence and drive more bookings. Embrace these tools to stay ahead and transform your digital marketing into a lead-generating powerhouse.